Hallie and Grandma are getting a lesson in how they maneuvered the trains some way.
Now we have 20 minutes before we get on the train.
You want to try the bell again, Hallie? Because I bet it'll work. Right here. That's it.
Thank you. And how about the rest of you? If you are here for the 4 o'clock departure of the Polar Express, I need to see your golden tickets. Golden tickets, high in the air, please. I have a question for all of you, including Amelia. Are you coming? Come on, I have a schedule to keep. I asked, are you coming? Well then, all aboard the Polar Express! Cars 1 and 3 to your right.
Hallie, I hope they give us a ride back, or we're gonna have to stay in the North Pole. What do you think of that?
Thank you. And how about the rest of you? If you are here for the 4 o'clock departure of the Polar Express, I need to see your golden tickets. Golden tickets, high in the air, please. I have a question for all of you, including Amelia. Are you coming? Come on, I have a schedule to keep. I asked, are you coming? Well then, all aboard the Polar Express! Cars 1 and 3 to your right.
Well, I suppose there's nothing that I need to know. However, may I see your tickets? May I? I'll give you a hint. There's a letter on your tickets. Right there. Can you tell what letter that is? That's right, that's a B. What it means that you can hear the sound of that bell has to do with this letter. Keep both of these in the same place if you can. Very well. And of course, here's yours as well. Merry Christmas to you, friend, and thank you all very much for your birthday. And thank you for giving me a run for my own money.
Oh my goodness, I just cannot believe what is happening to me.
Seeing is believing. Oh no, where's my manners? For those of you who can't see me, allow me to introduce myself. I am the proud owner of this train. It's like I'm the king of this train. The king of the Polar Express. I hop aboard this rattler anytime I feels like it because I like to meet the Polex passengers who are all on this very important journey.
Hallie,
And
what do you
I'm very
think?
curious about those golden
Is he a
tickets.
good guy?
of yours. For those of you that has a golden ticket, hold them up for me, will ya? High in the air! Golden tickets, high in the air! Well, looky there. Those are official, authentic, genuine tickets to ride. If I was you, I'd keep those in the same place It was given to all use for a reason. Even some of you, can I say of the elder persuasion, who maybe forgets things. Maybe you're a doubter. Maybe because you don't see, you don't remember. And maybe this is your crucial year.
Allie? Nice to meet you, Allie. My name is Riley, and your name's?
Carol and John.
Nice to meet you guys. Can I see your both of you, Allie? Thank you. Now, this stamp is a very special stamp. It was chosen just for you when we heard you're coming aboard today. It has a very important meaning, so keep that in a safe place, all right? Can you take it, please?
Thank you. I'll hold on to this one.
Thank you. There we go. Welcome aboard. Thank you.
Found this on one of the seats of this train. Better fix that hole in your pocket. Mr. C.
Damn it, I went out!
One thing about trains, it doesn't matter where they're going. What matters is deciding to get on. Merry Christmas.
This is pizza and cookies. It's all about true. Unless, well then, sounds to me like this is your crucial year. Ticket, please. I'm not sure I have it. Try your pocket. There's nothing in this pocket. There's a boy. Try your other pocket. Thank you. It looks like a letter. What does it mean? Nothing I need to know. Welcome aboard.
Important reason. This is your crucial year. So, I would keep those tickets in a very safe place if I were you. And I look forward to coming through your car very soon to see them. And one more thing. I would like to take this moment to congratulate each of you for climbing aboard and joining us on this very special journey, where a change of heart just might occur. See, one thing about trains, it doesn't matter where they're going. What matters is deciding to get on.
It's all I want when Christmas comes to town. That's all I want when Christmas comes to town.
I believe this one belongs to you. Now there you go. You take good care of that. And you keep it in the sacred basket. You ring that bell. The spirit of Christmas lies in your heart. If you believe. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Thank you.
You gotta send that to Caleb.
Send it.
There's a hole in my pocket. I lost it. I lost the boat from Santa.
I heard you lost something, young man. And Hallie found this. It has your name on it. Yes, thank you, Hallie. There's no greater gift than the gift of friendship. Merry Christmas, Hallie.
Merry Christmas.